What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have a few things to talk about. We got a couple deals and just some things I wanted to discuss with you all. So first up, let's talk about this Milwaukee M12 Gen 3 deal here. So we have both the hammer drill and the impact driver, and these are the new ones. You get a 2 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery, the charger, and a bag. So we've been all familiar with this thing. The Gen 2 has been like 179 now for a long time, but you can no longer find that, so because the new ones are out. If you add this battery, extra battery to this kit, this whole thing becomes 178. All right, 178.39. So that makes it, 61 cents cheaper than the Gen 2. Now, yesterday I pulled up this deal. I told you about this deal, and it's very good. But one of you, I forgot your name, brought up a very good point, saying, look, for an extra $79, you can get the hammer drill here. You can get the hammer drill and a 4 amp hour battery for $79. And you know what? He's right. That's a really good value. This actually makes the most sense. So, now granted, again, I don't like little hammer drills like this. I only fool with hammer drills with a handle. And there's no handle for this M12 hammer drill. But I mean, you can use it as a regular drill though. It only always makes sense to buy a hammer drill because you can use it. You don't have to use the hammer, right? But this makes the most sense. Honestly, it does. So just putting that out there because he made a very good point. I agree with you. This is a much better value, but if you want a budget, you just need the impact driver. Here you go. Moving on, we have this Bandsaw plus a free battery, a 5 amp hour battery, charger, and a hard case. So we have this whole kit here, and it's a buy one get one. So check this out. Man, maybe try to do this from the app because you can add this angle grinder, which doesn't make any sense because it's not $249. So that's kind of weird. This angle grinder here has been $199 for a while now. Used to be $229, but I don't know. Maybe this is a new one. I don't know. It only has 15 reviews, so that's kind of strange. Let me see. Okay, so now yes, I'll start. I don't understand this one because it's a 28.89, so it's not new. It's the slide switch, and this routinely goes on sale for 150. This is kind of weird. But I will say this: if you can find this in store, this should work. So if you find this in store, that'll be ideal. That's the real deal right here. Find this in store, okay? Matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that. Let's use BrickSeek. That's weird. This is what it said in the DC area. No one has any. I guarantee you stores have them. None in Atlanta either. I guarantee stores have these. They're just angle grinders, for goodness sake. So I will say this. If you can find this in store, it's obviously going to bring this down even more. But let's go ahead and add. This is a Gen 3 hammer drill. M18 hammer drill, not the Gen 4. So let's add the Gen 3 hammer drill or just the battery. They both 169. And it brings this bandsaw kit down to 271, which is incredible. Because the bandsaw itself is $399, right? So you're getting all this other stuff, and it comes out to be 271. Now, again, if you can find this in store, if you live near Home Depot, I'll go check it out, find it in store, and find that angle grinder. It's the 28.89.20. Yeah, it's the 28.89.20. Find that in store, then go grab the bandsaw kit. Let's see, which honestly might not be in any store. So that's going to be your hardest thing to find, really, the bandsaw. Let's go check that out. Yeah, it's saying the same thing. No results found in search area. I figured I've never seen this kit in the store, but I'm sure some stores have them. So if you can find that stuff in store, bundle it together to give you a bigger discount, and this will be closer to $200 than 271. But even still, the 271 is a good deal. Moving on. We have this vacuum. Now on the buy one get one. Let's go ahead and refresh it. It comes with a tool and attachment storage bag. The crazy thing is, this is a $69 bag. It's not like it comes with extra accessories. It's just a bag to store the accessories, which is insane. So it makes it $92.89, which is the cheapest I've ever seen it. But for a long time, this thing regular price was just $99. I don't know why it's $139 now. But yeah, so it's been $99 for a long time. This makes it $92.89, so you get a few dollars off. I don't really feel like it's nothing to write home about because again, it's been $99 for a long time. So moving on over to Ace Hardware, we have this Milwaukee M18 Fuel chainsaw kit, right? So it comes with a 12 amp hour battery. It comes with a rapid charger, and it comes also with a free gift, which is the pole saw. It's a tool only, but it comes with all the little accessories and everything like that. And it's the quick lock one that's normally $319. So you get everything for $500. Plus, Ace Hardware qualifies for Rakuten. You click up here, you get your Rakuten, you get 2% cash back. And if you're new to Rakuten, you use my link to sign up. You cannot sign up without my link. You won't get the extra $30 bonus. You use my link to sign up, then you get an additional $30 cash back on top of the 2% cash back. So it's going to give you extra $30 off of that, making this $469 with the 2%. That's what, an extra $10. So making this $459 for you in the end. Good deal there. Now I do want to bring up something because the people were trying to price match this over at Home Depot. You can't price match it because it comes with this free gift. They'll price match the chainsaw. That's about it. But yeah, they're not going to do that at Home Depot and then make it hackable. That's impossible. They only price equal to equal things. So what's happening over here? The chainsaw itself is $499. The chainsaw kit is $499, and that's the only thing they're looking at. Anything extra that Ace gives you is just, that's what Ace is doing. It has nothing to do with Home Depot, so you can't price match. Moving over, Walmart Heart 215-piece mechanics tool set. Now, I gave you guys a deal where it was like $76 for like a 270-piece set. I just wanted to come here and tell you what I like and dislike about this kit. Now, I already made that video, but I ain't posted. I made it months ago. But I could talk about it a little bit more because I've had it for a while now, like months, and I've used it weekly, and I don't like it. I wouldn't pick this over a Husky. What I do like about it is how the drawers lock into place. It's been a couple times I picked up my Husky and then those drawers slid out and the sockets just everywhere, right? That won't happen with this because you can lock them in place with these flaps here. It gets a little weird because this locking mechanism, when it drops down, it gets in the way of the tray, but it's not a huge deal. Just when you slide it in, you got to move this out of the way a little bit. But it's an okay set, man. It's an okay set. I've almost stripped some things out with it. It hasn't happened, but it makes me nervous because sometimes it's I don't know. It's just not as strong as the Husky sets for the same amount of money. I don't know if the Husky sets are on sale now, but let's check. This is $99. Okay, so here we are. This is $99. Get this instead. More pieces. What I don't like about this is that you have to carry it with two hands, but it does have this little tray on top, which is convenient. But I don't like that you have to carry this with two hands. I prefer a handle in the middle. But yeah, again, it has more pieces. It's still 72 tooth ratchet, but the Husky ratchets are a slimmer profile, and I've never had. All the sockets have good bite. I've never had any issues with any stripping or anything with my Husky sockets. Plus, they have the lifetime warranty. You can just walk into Home Depot and swap that out. And it looks like this newer. Look, this one has a flap. So this actually has a flap on the side, too, to prevent the drawers from sliding out. So, yeah. All right. That's pretty good. So, they fixed that flaw, that design flaw. My set is really old. So, this is what I recommend. For $1 more, get more pieces, the $235 as opposed to, what was this, $219, $215? So, yeah, get the extra pieces over here at Home Depot with the Husky, And there you go. You have a better overall set with a better warranty. There you go. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Look, you guys, I'm on the road to 100K subscribers in the next 12 months. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Help me get to 100K. I deeply appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.